Oh, we on? Okay, yeah. What's up, young world? It's your boy J No. Real here, live and direct in the flesh. You know what I'm saying? I'm just looking at my pearly whites on the camera. They look good. You niggas can't do that. All y'all can't smile like that whenever you want to. Anyway, no, I'm just fucking around with y'all. Anyway, look, I just want to tell y'all these webisodes that I have that's going to be coming out are random. Unless you're involved in the webisodes, then you don't know the date that they actually happen. Because I'm going to be dropping these shits all the time. Like birds. All the time. You never know when I'm going to drop it. You know what I'm saying? I told my people out here online and everything, every 100 views that I get, I'll drop one. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking I'm probably going to drop two this weekend. Get some more buzz out there. But I got plenty webisodes on the way. You don't know who I'm going to be around. You don't know who I'm going to be talking to. You don't know where I'm going to be at. I'm going to be everywhere. Everywhere. I'm going to come down your chimney. I might come up your toilet. Only after you flushed it. Only after you flushed it. Okay? I'm not going to do that when you in there because that's just wrong. That's just nasty. Okay? And I'm not going there with that. Okay? That's a whole nother story. Okay? I'm going to be talking about beefs. I'm going to be talking about current events. You know what I'm saying? I got some beefs I want to talk about. I want to start talking about them right now while I'm on this webisode. But I'm not going to do that. That's another webisode, okay? I'm just letting y'all know what I got coming up, what we got going on. You know, shout out to my brother Dub. We got Turned Up TV that's going to be popping up on y'all. You know what I'm saying? People make it to the fullest. We making a lot of big moves out here. You know what I mean? So, y'all stay tuned, alright? It's your boy J No with these webisodes and the J No vision. And once again, I'm signing out. May God bless you.